For centuries, Catalonia has been the first port of call for trade routes that have engendered the birth of great civilizations. Our nation has always had a vocation for trade, and its economic activity has been linked to its skill at opening markets and connecting with the world. Barcelona and its metropolitan area has become the mobile world capital, and today is one of the European hubs for technological innovation due to its powerful and growing digital ecosystem. In the 20th century, industry required good infrastructures like motorways, ports and airports, while in the 21st century, companies need globally connected digital infrastructures. Catalonia has done its homework. We are ready to be the port of entry for this high-capacity connectivity that will open us up to the world, empower us to develop the new digital economy, and strengthen Catalonia's role as a digital hub. This connectivity is now a reality with the first international submarine cable landing station, the Barcelona Cable Landing Station, which will become operational at the start of 2022, and the deployment of the first undersea cables in Catalonia. Some 400 submarine cables are up and running in the world. Today, 99% of intercontinental internet traffic is conducted via undersea cables. The fact that Catalonia has an open port puts us on the map for world connectivity. It makes us attractive for investments from the main global internet operators and providers, promotes the development of new digital districts and the growth of a new economy linked to connectivity. More investment and more jobs at an essential time for economic recovery and revival. Catalonia is connected to the internet and to the world. Now the submarine cable will let the whole world connect to Catalonia. We've got an open port. We've got a port open to the world.